Hi everyone, let's see how to make grid. First add some div with the class name grid container. Inside this div we can create a child div with the class name grid element. We can copy paste same thing. So now we have a grid container having a 5 element. So we can write the style in content.css. First for a grid container, margin 8px, display grid, template columns, repeat 3 comma 1 frame. I mean it means give 3 columns in one row. Another one is git template rows. Here we can mention a height with the auto or minimum content. Next we can write a style for a grid element. Background color whatever you want, you can select based on your need. After that, grid column and grid row span 1, grid column span 1. Height 300 px. Now it looks like lengthy, so we can reduce the height into 100 px and gap 10 px. We can add 10 px in a with the inside the class name grid container. So now it appears like this. We can add some content for differentiation purpose. Here we can write one more class name grid element 2 with the grid column span 2. So same thing, we can change that class name in content.jsx. Instead of grid element we can change into grid element 2. So now it occupying two columns. Grid span 2 we given grid span 2 for grid column we given span 2, so it occupying two columns. So we can add one more class name grid element 1 with grid row span 2, so it will occupy two rows. Same thing we can do for .jsx file. Height is missing, we can add height for grid element 2. Looks like it occupying two rows, second element occupying two columns. So now it appears like this, occupying the more area. If we change grid template column 3 to 4, it gives one more column. So this is the first element occupying one column, second element occupying two column, third column occupying one column, so 4. If we change it to 5, one more thing will add. So based on your need you can customize these things. Thank you.